So, Hannu, when it comes to sustainability, what is it that you're actually trying to achieve? What are your ambitions when it comes to sustainability?
Well, obviously it is to have a sustainable solution to consumers and allowing them, the consumers, the brand owners, retailers, to reduce the CO2 emissions and make the packaging more sustainable. And this is obviously happening, as I explained, through the recycling and then replacing the fossil structures from the packaging materials. And it is a long journey because recycling is an area where there's obviously already a good collection rate, a recycling rates with our packaging grades and board materials in general. But then the more you have sort of a coated laminated boards, the more complexity comes around. And hence we have to then work with the entire value chain, with the converters like Tetra Pak, with number of brand owners, and then set the game rules, involve the waste management companies and others. But the idea here is really that we can offer then by far more sustainable, environmental friendly packaging solutions without sacrificing issues like food safety, which are very vital, and obviously making sure that the food waste is not going to increase, because that's a very big cause of emissions.
Mm. So, Anki, I presume that this with removing fossil fuel-based materials from packaging is something that's important for Tetra Pak?
Actually, that's spot on, and that's what our strategy 2030 is about. We are talking about leading the sustainability transformation, and as Hannu was pointing out, this will only be possible by really focusing on renewable materials. We have a very good, strong starting point, which is that more than 70% of our materials used today in the packaging are actually renewable materials, actually fiber-based. We also have already done a large transformation in terms of the polymers that are used, as Hannu was describing, for coating, to use their renewable polymers or renewable sourced. And that's the area where we continue to improve. But what we're really trying to drive together with our partners like Stora Enso is to arrive at the fully cellulose-based packaging, which then will help us to actually come into a full recycling stream, ideally into a circular loop. But I think already increasing this packaging structure into something that we can really be used in a normal fiber recycling stream will be excellent. And that's what we are aiming for.